Let's do this, shall we? Oh yes. And I felt like, no, maybe I'll just keep it another year just in case. I mean, we got to take this decluttering really seriously, man. I just had to. Hi, I'm Dee from DECLUTTERING and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of the Summer Declutter 2021. As you can see, I am up in our attic. We have lots to declutter. I'm only going to spend about 20 minutes up here because I really don't want to get overwhelmed. And that just means more decluttering videos coming your way on my channel soon. Which reminds me that this video here will be pretty much the last video of the Summer Declutter series. But don't you worry and don't you go anywhere because I still got a lot to declutter in my home. I'm not going to just be done with decluttering. That's just not going to happen. I just have to say goodbye to the summer because it was Summer Declutter series. Get it? And I can't keep calling it Summer Declutter. I'm going to go ahead and put all of this in one playlist called the Summer Declutter series of 2021. For those of you who are just now joining me, you can actually watch from the beginning on the playlist that I will link in my description box below. Okay, there's some roofers apparently didn't get the memo. We'll just work with that. Sorry, but I really need to film and get this decluttering going. Hey, if you want some more decluttering motivation, then check out my friends, Michelle at MyEveryDayWifeLife and Karen at This Mainer's Mom. They are also decluttering on their channel. We're doing it pretty much every Thursday of September, so make sure you go check out their channels. It will be also listed in the description box. Today, I want to tackle my fall, y'all. It's coming up, and before I can even think about purchasing new fall decor or Halloween decor, I want to get rid of what I already have right now. I'm done with the costumes that we've used in the last like 20 years. I think those need to be donated for someone else to enjoy. So I'm going to go in the back over there and try to go through some of the fall and Halloween stuff that I know that I have here. I'm done with it. Getting a little warm up here. It's in the morning, so I wanted to do this before the temperature warmed up. This is just Easter stuff, and I really don't want cardboard boxes up here. Anywho, let me move this so I can get to where I need to get to. How are you guys doing in your decluttering? Let me know in the comments down below. I tell you, this is a process. Karen deals with her basement, right? If you guys been watching her channel with her decluttering, it's amazing. She's done a great job. I have this attic. It's big, but it's small. I like this, but I've had this way too long, and I think someone else can enjoy this. So I'm going to go ahead and donate that. All right, I got one. Woohoo! I think I'm still going to keep this. I really do like that. So that's a keeper. Okay, that's Valentine's. Ah, here's my fall stuff. I like that, but again, I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. This dish as well, I've never really used it. I thought I would put some candy in there, but let's face it, I really don't need candy. Potpourri, I thought, but I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of it. So no, I'm going to keep that. I like these, so I'm going to keep those. I'm going to keep those. Oh look, a tablecloth. I don't need that, so I'm going to go ahead and toss that. Anything else? Okay. So what is left in there, I'm going to keep. That lights up. I like it. I'm going to keep that. This is my candy dish. It was cheap. It holds candy. I'm going to go ahead and keep that. I think that will fit in here. I'll make it fit. Okay, pop. There we go. Maybe not. Hold on. the lid fell. YouTuber problems right there, folks. Hold on. I found my lid. Checked on my mom real quick. She's good. Okay, I think I bought this. I found it. Oh, I know. I found it at a thrift store. Boy, do I miss filming my thrift store finds. Gosh darn you, 2020 and part 2021. But I promise I will get back into that because I miss just lollygagging. You know what I mean? I mean, let's face it, I am trying to declutter things, but you can find some really good pieces sometimes, especially when you want to decorate for the holidays and so forth. And you can find some good DIY projects out of thrift stores. But like I said, before I start purchasing holiday decor, I want to get rid of this stuff. Okay, here's another one. If I can get to this. I like my cat. I was telling my mom yesterday, because we have a stray cat and kitty, that our house has become like cat lovers. Alright, so donate. I've had fun with these, but it's time to donate these. Yeah, donate. One fell under there. Spider web, yeah. Here's the spiders. Okay. I gotta also think about our Halloween costume parties that we do annually. Because of the last 2 years, we just haven't done it. Donate. That was bears. Here's the Superman one. That could be also donated. Oh, we have sticker books. Sticker books. And more sticker books. Those are cute. That could be relocated. A grave thingy here. I can use that for my party. And I like these pumpkins here. And my candles all can go. That can stay. My web, just in case. So that's kind of like Halloween stuff there. That one's a keep. I just bought that. I like that. It's pretty Halloween. This is like a cape. Donate. And then this is, well, a hat. That could be donated. It's a top hat. That could be donated. A little angel's halo. That could be donated. And we have like, I don't know, like gold costume jewelry donated as well. Okay. These are more Halloween. Like a biker vest, and then look at that with the fake tattoos that goes over. That was Jay's costume. That's funny. A karate belt. So a karate outfit in here. Motorcycle bike. I have like a high school diploma outfit, graduation outfit in there. That could be gone. This is like a blazer that Jay would wear, or even I would wear if we were like a magician. That could be tossed out. That could be donated. What's in here? Oh yes, the wig. The flowers I can donate. I think the wig I'm going to keep because, you know, you can still use this for something else. Like another costume, and it's 20 bucks. So, I don't know. I could probably use this for another Halloween costume, so I'm going to keep that one. But I will donate the flowers. Same thing with the shirt. The shirts go with the, it's like a tuxedo shirt. That goes like with the top hat and all that other good stuff. Yeah, this is like the vest that goes underneath it. It's another blazer. That could be donated. I don't need that. This one was a fun one. The green velvet. You use that like as, you know, the horse races where da 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 da. Remember that? It used as that, or also like for St. Patty's, but that could be donated. Oh, here's the dog Elvis. A hound dog king. A hound dog king. Aww, I remember him wearing that. That goes in that packet for donations. Let's see, we got the, oh, this is the motorcycle hat. A tiki torch. I did a Halloween costume with the Survivors. Remember that show way back when? That was part of a costume I did for work. Here is the cane, like for the pimp. And then here's also a mask for the Phantom. And it has a little black mask. Yeah, all that can be donated. Gosh, we don't dress up anymore. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. But again, I don't think we really need these. Not unless I want to do like a 70s, huh? This is for an 80s costume. That could be donated. What's in here? That's an empty box. Oh, here's a ribbon shirt. Oh, and here's some shoes. I had a costume as an airline stewardess. And those were the shoes I wore for it. That could be donated. And then what is in here? A silk cummerbund. I don't know about this. I'm just going to have Jay go through this. I think this was part of his mom's. His mom had a bridal boutique that she owned. And so this is some of the stuff that was from her bridal store that we just incorporated through some of our costumes throughout the years. What's in here? Oh, some shoes. That could be donated. I don't need that. Here's the rat to go with my Survivor Island whatever costume. Donate. And then here's like more of the Halloween costume. So I don't think there's anything. Oh yeah, the boots that go over. Okay, yeah, so I don't think I'm going to keep any of this. This is just, it's time to let go of this stuff. A lot of it is just old and we've worn it so many times. So I think it's safe to say this whole entire box is going to be donated. I'm only going to keep a few things and then have Jay look through the rest. Whew, okay, it's really hot up here. I have to get out. But I'm going to go ahead and donate this whole box of all the costumes there. Thank you very much for giving us a lot of fun with that. The Halloween decorations are going to also be donated, as well as my bowl, my tablecloth there, and then the other top hat in the angel halo, and then of course our dog's Halloween costume. So cute. It feels great to get rid of all of this that's in here. Ooh, it is hot up here. I think I made a good dent in here. I have lots more to declutter up here. I have a dog kennel in the back that needs to be taken to our Vegas home, and that is going to make a world difference up here. As far as the summer declutter series, this is the last episode of that one, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to declutter anymore, because let's face it, I got a lot to declutter. I felt like I went through some of this before, but I wasn't ready to let it go because I kept thinking, well, while we have, you know, Halloween parties, costume parties, we're always, you know, doing something entertaining in Halloween, and I felt like, no, maybe I'll just keep it another year just in case. Well, now, you know, and sometimes that's what it takes. Sometimes it takes not only once, twice, 3 or even 4 times to go through the same thing, the same space, the same room, the same area, the same holiday decor, if it's Christmas or if it's Easter or whatever. You know, seasons change, seasons in life change, circumstances change, and, you know, I mean, look at this crazy world right now that we live in. I mean, I haven't used this stuff now for 2 years. And some of this stuff has really fond memories because in Halloween, we always had people over. We enjoyed a lot of the decor, but you know, I got video and pictures of all that stuff. So it's time for someone else to enjoy these. Hey, thanks so much for joining me today. I hope this gave you some type of declutter motivation for you to declutter your home. However, if it's big or small, let me know in the comments down below if you had already decluttered your fall and Halloween decor, because pretty soon it's going to be the holidays and Christmas, y'all. So that means I'll be decluttering my Christmas holiday stuff soon. This just never ends. It just never ends. If you haven't done so already, click on that subscribe button right there. One last time wearing this guy. Is it a little bit too much? Oh, yes, I am an angel. I mean, we got to take this decluttering really seriously, man. I just had to. Bye. Too funny. Oh, D.